Hi everybody. Oh my goodness. So this is how I exactly do my MAC blonde, perfect MAC blonde maintenance. Okay, so now there is like pretty random new growth about just like even a half cent. To me, it's been working pretty well. Can you imagine you do bleach every single week? And I will show the picture though. The hair condition is even better compared to when you used to go to the hair salon every 2 months. Okay, so yeah, my strategy is because now I have this super big value developer. I have this developer and a powder, so it is like an unlimited bleach session I can have for free. Yeah, so I'll show you. Just like any porcelain, like a little bowl, and I even don't measure. I just try to put like probably 2 or 3 times more developer than the powder ratio. It is too dry, then I will add some more peroxide. And please remember, it is not a tutorial. Definitely you should never copy the way I do exactly because I am quite unprofessional. It's just about the result is quite incredible, but I don't even measure anything and I don't have any professional knowledge, so just take it as a casual vlog, okay? So now I'm ready with the mixture. I think I want to add some more. Like I want to make it a little bit runny. If the texture looks like a butter, then probably it is too hard. Considering also the fact that you have to leave the bleach for maybe like a 20 or 30 minutes. Yeah. So you don't want to make it dry up. So taking out my little stuff, my little mixture, and I'm just gonna focus on just applying around the root, just a little bit, only around the tiny black new growth area. Okay, yeah. And also after you applied it, after some while it starts to kind of nicely smudge and blend, so it's gonna make like just naturally make some nice ombre effect. I have some like a little dark brown area like from the previous bleach, but that part is just gonna be naturally just nicely blend. So yeah, I'm not making a little like precise effort, just gonna work out. And the key is really to do it very often. Like I do it once a week, and I think that is the key. If you leave it for actually so many weeks, then the new growth is gonna be too much that it's gonna be harder for you to walk around it. Yeah. So yeah, just a casual touch up. So it doesn't really feel like, oh, I'm doing this in a whole hair color thingy, because it is just like a minor touch up, and you just do it like little by little over the time on a short span, so it doesn't really feel like it's a lot of work to do also. Yeah, so you see, especially around the face, I'm gonna cover it a little bit. Yeah, so there's really nothing complicated. And even if you miss some spots, you're just gonna touch it up on the very next week, so you don't have to worry much about it. I am even done with my bleach, and as you can see, it's pretty random, and I think that's actually the key. I don't want to make like super perfect, seamless, like even toned blonde, But I think having a bit of messiness is my key for my aesthetic the whole time anyways. So yeah, just like touching my eyebrows a little bit. And I think I should be fine. And I also usually like to just do the little micro final blending so that I can even raise the brightness overall over the time, little by little. So I think this is really the best way to also kind of blend from your new root touch-up to the existing blonde area. Yes. Also, when I rinse it off, I try to use the warm water, so it also kind of spreads and smudge even more, you know? Yeah. I think I look fucking perfect! You know what's so important after you abused your hair? So this has been my current obsession. Kerastase. Do I pronounce like that? In Japanese, we pronounce it as kerastase. I usually take it on my palm and just, yeah. Leave-in serum is such an important part.